Do you want to take your grilled chicken wings to the next level? This garlic chili scallion oil is spicy, it's fragrant, and packed with umami flavors. First of all, you're going to grill your chicken wings in the oven. You'll find the recipe for this right below. Honestly, these are the perfect wings for a game night or movie night with your bestie, with your partner. And by the time you are done making it, you understand what I'm saying. So you're going to chop up your garlic, your scallions, and then your chili pepper. You can use any chili pepper you want. I went with akweliwabi or cayenne pepper. So you're going to put all these chopped aromatics into a bowl, and to that you're going to add a teaspoon of sugar, sesame oil, some sesame seeds, a little bit of salt, and light soy sauce. Heat up some oil and just pour it over. Stir it up, set it aside for like 10 minutes. By then your wings is ready. And look, doesn't that look just succulent and juicy? Trust me, it's worth what you're looking at. So you have to make this recipe, guys. And I had to make some quick jollof to go with it. It's crunchy, it's sweet, sour, a little salty. It goes perfect with even fried yam or just the jollof. You'll love making this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and happy cooking. Bye guys.